Changing the backdrop of the stage. There are 4 buttons that are used to add a backdrop to the stage. You can choose a backdrop from the library, paint a new backdrop, or add a surprising backdrop, or upload a picture to add it as a backdrop. Let us see how these buttons work. Choose a backdrop. Click on Choose a Backdrop button. The Choose a Backdrop dialog box appears. Click on any category and select the desired backdrop. Notice the selected backdrop appears on the stage. Paint. To paint a new backdrop, follow these steps. Click on the Paint button. The Paint Editor window appears. The left pane has the tools that you can use to paint, and the painted background appears on the right pane. Using the tools and the color palette, paint a background. The painted background appears in the backdrop of sprite. Surprise. To have random backdrop from Scratch folders, follow these steps. Click on the Surprise button. A random backdrop image will appear. Click again on the Surprise button to change random background again, and so on for any number of times. Upload backdrop. To import an image for backdrop from device, follow these steps. Click on the Upload Backdrop button. A dialog box will appear. Select desired image from any folder on the device. Click on Open. The selected image will appear in the backdrop of sprite. Changing the backdrop. Now that you have learned that you can add or paint a backdrop for your project, let us create a project where you can change backdrop while running a script. Open a new project in Scratch. Delete the cat sprite and add a desired sprite. Click on the stage icon. Click on Backdrops tab on top left corner. Add Beach Malibu and Beach Rio as Backdrop 1 and Backdrop 2 option, respectively, from the Outdoors folder. The Backdrops tab appears similar as shown. Now click on the Code tab to create a script for the backdrop as shown here. Now choose the sprite from the sprite list. Click on the Code tab to create a script for the sprite as shown here. Click on the Go button and see how the sprite moves on the stage and the background changes. In this way, you can add multiple sprites and backgrounds in a project and execute them.